so good, but now it's understood. 'Twas just a night. If I could tear my heart and keep it miles apart from love of beast or man, and never give her down. If I could learn to lie and never show my pride, I'd be just like the rest, be someone I detest. I'm always looking for the sun. I'm always looking for the sun to shine. Destroys the best of us, then leaves the rest of us thinking perhaps we'll die, yet still we stay alive, lost in a hole.